Are you a pirate? But are you on a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Yeah. This place is pretty cool. Hi, Avery. You playing with the choo-choo trains? Whee!
Another jump.
Whoa, E. Avery. Did you just bring me cake? You know I love cake. Nom 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 nom. And coffee? Yes, you know mommy. What else? Oh, an orange juice? Thanks. Right on the cake? Thank you, E. Avery, are you cooking with the princess? Look, here's a plate. Oh, Avery's making pressed coffee. Oh, he's leaving. Okay. Let's see what Elijah's doing over here. Elijah's getting ready to ride a horse. Wow, E. You did it. All right, E. Jump. How do you ride that horsey? Taran 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 tatan taran taran tatan tatan taran tatan. Oh, you look at that little horsey over there. That's a little pony. Where is Elijah? Is he in the castle? Boo! Nice castle. And Avery's back in the ball pit. Choo choo. pit?
I'm swimming. I'm swimming in the water.
You're swimming? Show me how you swim. 2 hands, 2 legs. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, wow, you're a good swimmer. Hey, don't throw those. Hurt. You can't throw those.